Now let's learn C++ constants. What is constant and why we need it? Constant is a data type that is read-only, I mean unchangeable. Let's say I want to define a variable, so I'll actually create a new file at first, and let's say the file name will be constant.cpp. Here we need hash include as iostream, right? The header file iostream. Then using namespace std int main, the main function, then return zeros. So now here I want to say int x is equal to 10. I can actually change the x value to 20. If I see out it, here if I run the code, you can see the output will be 20. You can see the output is 20. But the x value, initially we initialize the x value as 10, right? But here we can actually change the x value. Let's say you need a variable and you don't want to change any value for it. That time actually you can use constant, because constant variable data type is kind of read-only and unchangeable. And you can actually declare it's only, or you cannot initialize the value. How? Let me show you. For the constant variable, you have to say the keyword const, then let's say int, then let's say number. We can actually say here, let's say 15 for now. And if I say num is equal to 10, here you can see I get an error. If I say num, still we have the error. Why? Identifier num is undefined, but we have defined it, right? Oops, sorry. If I say here number, okay. If I say number, okay. Now you can see that expression must be a modifiable value. It means we have actually used here constant a data type, right? I mean we have used here the keyword constant. So now we can actually change the value, and we actually cannot initialize also. Let's say if I say int x, we can actually initialize it, right? But if you think about this constant here, you can see you will get an error here. Why? Because we can't actually initialize constant variable. Okay, that's it. So this is the constant. I hope you understand. If you don't want to change the value, use constant.